pink ladies, surprise lilies. You have several other names. And there's some in the lower back. I'll go down and show those to you. Here they are. They have green on the bottom of them in the spring that look a lot like daffodils. And the only difference is you don't see a flower. But they bloom very close to the same time every year. Last year they were late, but this year they're right on time. And they have a special meaning for me. And if you think back, you will remember what I also call these. If you can see right here, those are more lilies. And they will be up tomorrow. Here's some more right here. They're up. They got blooms on them. They haven't started blooming. One's halfway up. And there's about 4 of them down there poking through the ground. And they'll either be up within tomorrow or the next day. There's a bunch here coming up. Now, Bruce counted some of them, and at that time he had 150. And I'm sure he has a lot more now. And before they all die back, he will probably count them all so he knows how many he has. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.